In the previous lecture, we were discussing about coordinates of the points and the distance between the 2 points. Now please look on page number 3 on your textbook. Our next topic is betweenness. Betweenness. If P, Q and R are 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. Look at the diagram. First possibility is point Q is in between point P and R. Second possibility is point R is between P and point Q. First possibility is point Q is between point P and R. Second possibility is point R is in between the point P and Q. Third possibility is point P is between point R and Q. Now, if point Q is between P and R, and if distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, then we say that point Q is between the 2 points P and R, and we write it as like this: point Q is between point P and point R. If such condition exists, then we say that point Q is between point P and R. Now, solve example number 1 given on page number 3. Look at solve example number 1. Look at page number 3 on your textbook. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AB is equal to 5 unit, distance BC is equal to 11 unit and distance AC is equal to 6 unit. Now, which of the point is between the other two? Solution: points A, B, C. In points A, B, C, these are the given distances. Now the greatest distance is distance BC. We take distance BC is equal to 11. This is our equation number 1. Now the smaller distance is distance AB. If we add the 2 distances which are smaller than 11, this is equal to distance AB. It is given that it is 5 unit plus distance AC is equal to 6 unit. Distance AB plus distance AC is equal to 11 unit. This is our equation number 2. Now observe equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2, it is clear that equation number 1 and equation number 2 implies that distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. This is the condition for betweenness. The condition for betweenness exists. This means that equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2. This means that the condition for betweenness exists, and we write this condition as point B dash A dash C. This means that point A is between the two point B and C. This is point B, this is point C, distance AB. This is point A. Look at the diagram. Distance AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Distance AC is equal to 6 centimeter. If we add both the smaller distances, we get the larger distance, that is 11 unit. On the same page, page number 3, solve example number 2. U, V and A are three cities on a straight road. The distance between U and A is 200. Between V and A is 140 km and between U and V is 75 km. Which of them is between the other two? Solution. Distance UA is equal to 215 km. Distance VA is equal to 140 km. Distance UV is equal to 75 km. Now observe the given information. Here the greatest distance is 215 and the smaller distances are 140 km and 75 km. If we add the smaller distances, then we get 215. Look at page number 3. Distance UV plus distance VA is equal to 75. It is given in the question, plus 140. If we add both the two numbers, then we get 215. Now this is our equation number 1. The greatest distance is, this is our equation number 1. Now greatest distance is 215. That is, the distance between city U and A is 215. This is our equation number 2. Now observe both the equation 1 and 2. Distance UA is equal to distance UV plus distance VA. Both are same. If in any two equations, if right hand sides are equal, then we write or we if in the two equations right hand sides are equal, then their left hand sides are also equal. From equation number 1 and 2, we can write a distance UA is equal to distance UV plus distance VA. This is the condition for betweenness, and the condition for betweenness exists. Therefore we say that the city V is between the two cities U and A. This is your homework for today. Practice set 1.1. Question number 2 is similar to question number 1, and question number 3 is related with the property of betweenness. So meet you in the next class. Thank you.